How's it going, you guys? It's Scott with Everyday Home Repairs. Now in the spring and summer season, we all jump outside, we start to water our lawns and do activities where we're putting our outdoor faucets or spigots to the test. Now a very common situation is you have a slow leak and it's dripping at your foundation and just really an annoying issue. The good news is this is a very easy fix, whether you have this design for your outdoor faucet or maybe something that looks a little bit different with an anti-siphon valve up top and then a little bit different handle and packing nut. You can fix it in as little as a few minutes and usually just $1 or $2 in parts, so let's jump into it. Now first up, you kind of feel, I definitely have a leak coming from this packing nut, bonnet nut area here. So I'll address that, that will be one. But it also does look like I have a leak within this fitting here. Now I have an additional adapter here because this is where the actual anti-siphon or vacuum brake valve is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the hose off and also the adapter, showing you the first most common area for the leak. So first up, go ahead and shut off the water. There, my actual vacuum brake let loose to let some of that water out. I'm gonna use some channel locks here or my Knipex. And I'll go ahead and back off that hose. So first thing you wanna check out in your hose, so just check inside your hose and make sure you have a good condition rubber washer. This one you can see there is black, it's in good shape. But you can go down to your home improvement store, usually pick up a pack of these for $1 or $2, or you can check a link in the description, and usually you'll find these red ones, which are 3/4 inch. You'll see actual garden hose in the description. Those just go ahead and fit right in your hose, and then that's gonna give you your sealing surface, because metal on metal is not gonna be a good sealing surface, and it's gonna be a classic source of failure. Now for me, I still have that leak, so I'm gonna open this guy up a little bit more. So I'm gonna back this off because something tells me, yep. So you can see I just have a metal surface right there. So I have metal on metal contact. So that's gonna be a classic point where you're gonna have a leak. So I'm gonna put that rubber washer inside of there. And then that's gonna make for a much better sealing surface. Again, for your example, that's probably gonna be missing at your hose. So I'll go ahead and tighten this guy up. So I can just feel tightening this up, it's actually compressing that washer inside of there. So I'll go ahead and thread that hose back on. And now I'd expect my leak from here to be good, but I'm definitely gonna still have a leak up top here. You don't have to over tighten your hose. You can usually just cinch that down by hand, or if you have a pair of channel locks handy, you can go ahead and use those as well. All right, so the leak has definitely slowed down. I still have a leak here, and that, you always have to be careful because the water's actually coming back and making it look like I still have a leak at the same spot. But remember, that's just this other leak flowing backwards. Now again, there's two main different designs. You could have one like this where you just have the one brass packing nut. Here you can see I have two different ones. All I'm gonna do, and about 50% of the time, this is actually your fix. I am just gonna tighten that down. And man, I think that pretty much got us there. So about 50% of the time, it's just loose. The packing nut's just loose. All you have to do is just tighten it up a little bit, and then it will reseal and stop your actual leak. Now you do have a rubber seal here at this packing nut. And then also here, you might have to actually pack this stem if you have a similar design to this. Now I'm curious, so let me know down in the comments, how many of you guys, your issue was just tightening the packing nut, that solved your issue? Or maybe just the hose rubber washer replacing an old one or putting a new one in for the first time like mine, that actually fixed your issue. Or you can just let me know, hey, I'm just watching just to learn about my house. I don't actually have this issue right now. Now, if you still have a water leak, don't worry. There's a bunch of other videos that I have on the channel that can help you out, and I'll point you in the right direction. Now, if your water leak is actually coming from your anti-siphon valve, check out this video right here. If you still have a water leak behind the handle, even after tightening it, check out this video right here. And then even when you shut the handle all the way down, you still have a slow drip and you can't get it to stop, check out this video right here. So thanks for joining me today, and we'll catch you on one of those next videos. Take care.